Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the BMW i4 bonnet. It's a straightforward process that involves two distinct steps from inside your vehicle. First, make sure your car is parked securely on a flat surface. Then, you'll need to find the bonnet release lever, which is typically situated in the lower right area of the driver's footwell. Give this lever one firm pull. After the initial pull, you might hear a slight click, indicating the first latch has released. Now, wait just a moment for the system to prepare for the next step. Then, reach down and pull the exact same lever a second time. This action is crucial as it fully disengages the safety latch, allowing the bonnet to be opened completely. With both latches released, you can now exit your vehicle and proceed to the front. Carefully lift the bonnet from its front edge. You'll find that it opens smoothly and should stay securely in an upright position without the need for a separate prop rod, thanks to its integrated support system. This provides clear access to the engine bay for any checks. When you are finished, closing the bonnet is just as simple. Gently lower it until it is approximately 40 centimeters above the car's body. Then, release it, allowing its weight to drop and engage the primary latches. For complete security, press down firmly on both the left and right sides of the bonnet to ensure it is fully closed and locked into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.